my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm dipping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? Shit, I didn't realize I only had 44% battery, but I'm gonna bring you the livest coverage ever. Checking back in with this box. They've been taking shit off of it, bust down rails, etc., man, but ain't nobody touched the engine. Probably because they scared of it. They don't know what's going on with it. I honestly can't say I blame them or whatnot. She came back, man. She was trying to get this motherfucking battery tray for my boy, but this shit is rusted on this motherfucker. Like, yeah. What they did though, man, what they did was they just had like a license plate at the bottom of that motherfucker, and was just doing that shit like that. So that might be an option for whatever reason, man. These bolts and shit get rusted off in that hole and they will not come out. So I tried, my boy. I fucking tried. That my boy Steve said he needed some hinges. Is these the hinges you want though? I was trying to fucking see. Like, I don't know if these the fucking hinges you want right here though. Yeah. Let's say less, I guess. Say less. They got these little seats off in this thing, man. I think these is the power joints. I ain't bring no battery power. I honestly wasn't expecting it. And I'm probably still not even finna get them, but you know, I might come back. Might come back. Let me see if I can't get that motherfucker on there. Yeah. Yeah, I don't really need that shit. I'ma just grab this motherfucker though. I'ma see if I can't get that bolt off. Get these seats loose. I know some people be looking for seats and shit, man. I'm low key finna start stocking shit, man. For local sale. I'm not really gonna too much fuck with the out of town shit. But for local shit, I'ma fucks with it. You know what I mean? Fucks with it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRod254. When you tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, see the shirt. LSRod254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is their inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy Elisera254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. So I went ahead and finished loosening up the seats, man. So I'm gonna get a price on them hoes and then see how much I want to sell them for. And shit, if I get a buy, then I'll come back and get them bitches. I ain't gonna start stockpiling shit yet, especially with large shit like seats. You know what I'm saying? My room is already limited in the garage, so we don't want to clutter the shit up too much. So let's go back over and check out this other box Chevy. As you can see, it's nice and cloudy out here. Nothing too serious. Good overcast. Best way to get it. But as the sun start beating down on your motherfucking head, then you gonna wish. You gonna wish. Alright. Ooh, shit. Box Chevy Aftermath. This car does not look the same way that it did just the other day. Everything, whew, is gone, boy. Damn. See, if this steering column wasn't jacked up, that'll be hot. Headline in there. Yeah, this top is gone. This shit here is like kind of, it's not busted out of the way. See, they got overspray on all this shit, like little corner lamps. You could probably fix it though. I'm not, I got new ones and shit. Shit, I think these hinges, I know for sure, if I'm not mistaken, they moved the way we wanted them to move. So definitely gonna grab these hood hinges right quick. I don't really see nothing else that's enticing. Maybe the headlight. Maybe set the headlight. Got the wheel well trim. I don't know if that's a high commodity item. But yeah. So let me start with these hinges, man, and shit. Go from there. I'm kind of tempted to get this fucking hood. It's not in the best. Nah, I'm not fucking with that. Is that even how it's supposed to look? Yeah, I'm not fucking with that. Let's get these hinges and get the fuck on. Perfect.